guys, welcome back to Labs Out Loud. I'm Shan.
And I'm Shad.
And this week
is Educational Week.
Yes, guys. And guys, we are at 500 subscribers. Well, actually, it's 550.
Yeah, we're past 500. But guys, that's a huge milestone.
Oh my God.
We've been here 3 months now. Right. And we're at 500 subscribers. And we couldn't have done it without you guys.
We want to thank you very much for your support, and we have a little giveaway for you guys.
Yes, so instead of us coming here and saying you guys, we're 500 subscribers strong, so we are a family. We need a name
to call you guys.
So we don't have to be saying
you guys.
So guys, if anyone has any suggestion, we don't want to call it an army. We do not want the police forces to come and look for us.
No. So guys, please, if you can come up with a name for you, we will be giving away $500 credit. There's 500 subscribers.
We're giving away
$500 credit.
So get us to 1 million subscribers, guys.
Digital Flow International.
And just let us know. As long as we choose your name, we'll be giving away $500 credit. So leave us a comment, an email, a message, a DM, anyway. Call us if you have our numbers. Just think of a way that we can call you. And the channel name is Labs Out Loud. So we want something to go along with that theme. Alright? Back to this week's video.
Okay guys, so today we will be doing a spoken word on
diabetes.
Alright.
That's the big one, guys.
So guys, it's going to be fun. Please sit down, get your juice or your apple or anything. Sit down and we're going to let you have fun learning about diabetes.
Yes. Ready?
Don't forget to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe. And also remember to submit a name to enter our giveaway.
Right.
Let's go. Lights, camera, action.
Bam! It is what it is. Let us tell you about diabetes. Diabetes. Will you die or will you beat it?
It's an aunt, uncle, mommy, daddy, cousin, admit it.
We all know someone who have it.
It might even be you. Have you done the blood test?
What's up, sugar?
Sugar, a term that is widely used in Jamaica.
It is a disease that stops the body from producing insulin.
There is no bargain.
Where is the margin? Diabetes. Will you die or will you beat it?
Type 1, type 2 are gestational. We hope you don't get too emotional.
This isn't fiction, this is the real edition.
Straight out of the lab, Shanice, tell them about type 1.
In diabetes mellitus, the pancreas cry just at the wrong time, interrupting the beautiful design of producing insulin that allow glucose to enter our cells in time, providing our bodies with energy. Lethargy takes over. Children and adolescents take their cover, trying to cope with the symptoms their body will now discover. Will they ever recover? Extreme hunger yet unintended weight loss. Is there ever a pause? Excess thirst and frequent urination. Can you sense the situation? Sit for a while if this is taking too long. Diabetes, will they beat this? See, people describe others as being sweet figuratively, but with diabetes mellitus, your blood is sweet literally. It can leave you drained emotionally. This has no cure and can leave you for hours unconscious on your bathroom floor.
Insulin, isn't it insulting? Imagine not having enough, or what you have isn't working. That is the issue with type 2 diabetes. Reduce insulin production or insulin reduction. Either way calls for separation. This type represents 85% of all cases. You won't know by looking someone in their faces. Type 2 develop over a long period of time. During this time, insulin resistance starts to incline. Warning, warning, blood glucose levels are climbing. There is no management. As a result, the pancreas produces more insulin. Wow, isn't that interesting? Good effort by the pancreas, but that just resulted in an overproduction of insulin. And after a while, the same insulin produces cells. They start to die. We're back to square one with decreased levels of insulin production. In the beginning, diet and lifestyle changes can help, but if you need more help than that, diabetic medication and insulin therapy can get you in step.
Third and last,
Definitely not least,
this one is for the pregnant ladies.
gestational diabetes.
This is when the pregnant lady experiences diabetes for the very first time during pregnancy.
You finally now can blame something on the baby.
The cause is unknown. Some blame it on the hormones. But guys, we don't have to stay here guessing. Go out to the lab. Let's start testing.
If you want to be simple, you can do the fasting glucose.
If you want to be certain, you can do the HbA1c. Warning, warning, your lab results calling. Warning, warning, labs out loud exclamating. Warning, warning, diabetes. Will you die or will you beat this?
Guys, how was it? Guys, that was powerful, right?
We did very well.
Comment down below and tell us if you enjoyed our spoken word on diabetes. And this was written, produced, edited by Labs Out Loud. So you got a song, you got a spoken word. Who knows what you're gonna get
next? Right. So I'm happy that you guys stayed with us. Thank you for watching our video to the end, of course.
Yes, guys.
Please continue to support us.
Yes, guys. We know some of you like the video before you even watch it.
We know.
Share the link if you share it on your WhatsApp story so others can see it. Your Facebook page or whichever social media you guys. We see them and we love it. We couldn't have gotten to this milestone without you guys, and we are just 3 months in. So you imagine 6 months in, 9 months in.
Thank you guys. We can't stop saying thank you because we know that you're a major part of this.
Yes, guys.
All
So we'll
right.
make sure that this video, we'll make sure that we go all out. You understand? We feel the vibe. Labs Out Loud. We're actually making a difference. So don't forget to like,
Comment,
share,
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
See you next week
with more videos.